In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice in Premiere Pro. So this is actually quite simple. The first thing you need is some voice inside your sequence. So I just recorded an audio clip over here. I'm gonna play it for you right now. This is just some random example voice I have recorded for this instance. I hope this video helped you out. There we go. Now what we're going to do next is change the voice of this. So the way you do this is by clicking on that voice and then going inside effects over here. So down here to the left you should have effects tab. In here you want to type in pitch and then press enter, and under audio effects time and pitch you should see the pitch shifter. Now you can either double click it or hold it and drag it onto your audio clip. So once you do this, you then want to navigate yourself to effect controls up here, and then you will see the pitch shifter over here. If you don't see it, just scroll up and down a little and you should be able to find it. In here, you want to extend it by double clicking it or clicking here at the very left, this arrow, and then where it says custom setup, you want to click edit. Now in here, we're going to change the voice. What's important over here is to change the semitones, and you can change them either direction. So for example, I'm going to change it to the left right now, so it gets about a -5, let's say, and I'm going to play this audio and hear how it sounds.
This is just some random example voice I have recorded for the...
Now you can probably hear what it sounds like, and I'm going to play it with the pitch to the other side.
This instance. I hope this video helped you.
So as you can see, if you put it to the left, so if it goes into negative numbers, you'll basically get that monster venom type voice, but if you go to the right, you'll get that chipmunk type sound. Now, that isn't the only important thing though. You can of course play around and change this accordingly, but then once you've done this, you can also switch over here from high to medium or low precision and see what that sounds like and if that's what you wanted to hear. And then you can also uncheck this where it says use appropriate default settings and then change the overlapping to, for example, 50 or something along those lines, and then the splicing frequency to whatever you would like it to be, and then just play it again and again, play around and see what the audio here sounds like. Now once it sounds like you want it to sound, you can simply close this down, and just like this you've got yourself a changed voice.
I have recorded for this instance.
There we go. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.